Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm BitLocker or device encryption is active. That tells you whether a recovery key exists. First, open Settings, go to System then About, and check Device Encryption. If you see BitLocker in Control Panel, note which drive is protected. Next, sign in to the same Microsoft account used on this PC because recovery keys are often backed up there. Once done, make sure you have admin rights. Without them, you cannot access or export recovery information. Now go to your Microsoft Account Devices page and sign in with the exact account used on the machine. That's where Microsoft stores backed-up keys. Once signed in, select the device and choose the option to view recovery keys. Copy the 48-digit key or download it as a file and store it securely. If the device is enterprise managed, make sure to check your Azure AD or Active Directory portal because business keys are stored there. Finally, verify the key matches the ID shown. If you retrieved the 48-digit key, enter it exactly on the locked PC or use a USB key file to unlock the drive. Accuracy matters because one wrong digit prevents access. Once unlocked, export the key from BitLocker Management and save a copy offline and in a secure password manager for redundancy. If you cannot find a key, contact your IT administrator or check your organization's Azure Active Directory. They often hold recovery keys. If that fails, prepare for data recovery services as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.